Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I will start off by using my loose powder from Pineapple Cosmetics to set my brows so that my brows will stay matte throughout the day. Going in with my pencil as well as my spoolie brush to brush my hair into place. Now going in with my pencil from Cosmetic Art to outline my brow. I'm using the darker shade. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button down below and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now I'm going in with a brown pencil which is from Cosmetics Art. With the help of my concealer from BH Cosmetics, I'll be cleaning my eyebrow with it. When you are a beginner, or if you are a beginner, kindly take your time when cleaning your brow, and you can always go back with your brow pencil to correct whatever mistake you do while cleaning your brow. And if you are a beginner, I always advise you use your foundation in cleaning the upper parts of your brow. Now going in with a fluffy brush to clean the excess concealer. Yes, I'm cleaning the excess. I'm just dabbing the excess concealer into my skin. Now I'll be going in with another concealer which is AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan as my eyeshadow base. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button down below. And remember to click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm going in with the shade Love Bite from the Huda Beauty, the nude palette. I'm using the shade Love Bite in my outer V area. Now going in with this green shade in my inner eye area, and I'll be extending it a little on top of the Love Bite to prevent any demarcation. Now I'll be using this orange shade to further blend the edges of the two shades. And I'm using a flat shader brush for that. Using a clean wipe to clean my lid. I'm cleaning my lid to get a clean canvas to apply my lid shade. Now I'm using that same concealer to cut my crease, which is the AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. When you are using this concealer, be careful. This same concealer, be careful because it transfers. It dries faster and it transfers as well. So just be careful when using this. I'm just tapping on it. Going in with my Catrice, the Ultimate Chrome palette. I'm using the shade The Sculpt in the palette. As my lid shade, I'm using the shade The Sculpt. Please do consider subscribing. I did my liner off camera and I'm applying my lashes now. Please, if you have not seen my lash tutorial, I'll leave a card up here. Click on it too. After finishing watching this, click on the card to watch that particular video on how I apply my lashes. Using my primer from the Pond's Primer, Guys, I had a little bit of a situation, my lighting while filming this video. Going in with my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation in the shade Mocha. I'm using natural lighting as I've mentioned in my other videos. So all of the sudden it was cloudy. Yes, it was cloudy and everything was, what word will I use? But in all, the look came out good, but my lighting was actually dancing. Yes. So going in with my concealer palette, I'm using this shade to highlight my under eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. And I'm using my foundation brush to blend this. Please do subscribe down below. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this look, because I actually did not want to post this look. I wanted to delete it because of the lighting situation, but something in me says let's just drop it. So guys, let me know what you think about the look. Using my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and these are the places where I want to contour. The bridge of my nose. Sometimes you do some makeup and you'll be like, what? Did I do this? Other times too, you do something and you'll be like, where from this? So we move, we learn as we go. Yes. Blend. Blend as if your life depends on it. Just blend. Blend. I'm addicted to blending, guys. I'm addicted to blending. I don't know what is my problem, because I know I can actually mix this foundation, which is the LA Girl. I have two shades. I can actually mix it to make my blending easier, but I always go in with the only Ebony, which is way too darker. I don't know why. Okay, setting my my highlighted places with my loose powder from Pineapple Cosmetics. I think I'm talking a lot today. Setting, yes, and remember to set your smile lines using this blush from, is it Karate, is it Karat, whatever the name is. Guys, please help me in the comment section. And I'm using all the 6 shades. I just brush my brush through. Using my contour powder from Nikak Dual Contour to set the places where I contoured. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Now using my powder brush to dab the powder into my skin and just dust off the excess. That's what I do. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. Do subscribe. Subscribe. Using my Forever 52 kohl pencil to so with no product, I'm just using the brush that I used earlier on for my green color, and I'm using the Love Bite brush to just smoke out my lower lash area. Now I'm using my highlighter from Catrice, the Ultimate Chrome, to highlight the apple of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone. For my setting spray, I'm using the NYX matte setting spray. And for my lip, I'm using Flormar Cosmetics lip. I think it's in the shade 106. I'll list the number, or I'll list all the products in my description box. If you are still watching till this side, may God richly bless you. May God richly bless you. I'm using my lip gloss from Pretty by Flormar in the shade Pretty. Now using my concealer to clean the excess lipstick. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Oh. Subscribe. Using my classic my mascara